Comment down below kung ano pang gusto nyo gawin natin sa Mandanos kasi tuloy-tuloy pa rin dahil pwede na bisitahin si Hawak. Ay, tuloy na ako lang.
Pinapasok ko lahat ng tao dito, bisitahin si Mila.
Okay kami ni Jessie, ah. Oo.
Pero maldito yung ano talaga yun.
Oo.
Ganun ka naman kayo.
Hindi mo nakakititsura.
Hindi man tumakot mo kanya ni Guy.
Kakailos mo sa akin.
It's a puzzle game and it's just
Parati dapat sabi yan na wala mo under yun.
and it's free.
Matapos
Yeah, it's 100% free without those annoying pop-ups and ads. It has fun graphics, awesome animations, and you get to save the king who's always in trouble. Best part is that you don't even need Wi-Fi. Okay, this is seriously awesome, but can you please hurry up now so we can actually...
Huwag niyong binibidyo-video para hindi mapuno.